It's finally here. 2,000 variants per product. Now, I've been waiting for this, and you've probably been waiting for this for a long time as well. And it's been years that they've announced this and have finally actually released it. So before, we've had to do all sorts of workarounds to get past the 100 variant limit so that if you have a product where you want to offer lots of different options, maybe something like this little image here, you'd have to either break it up into multiple products or do custom coding, just a lot of workarounds. And even on this channel, we've shared some solutions around how to work around the 100 variant limit. But we don't need to do any of that anymore because Shopify has finally released their upgraded system where you can put 2,048 variants in a single product natively. So why don't we just take a quick look at what this looks like. This is going to be a shorter video. I just want to give that announcement to all of you who've been waiting for this, and then a quick little demo on what this can look like. So here we have a product that I created. It's got over 100 variants. It's 245 to be exact, right? So I have here a number of colors, number of sizes, and a number of fabrics. And when you put every single combination together, that's 245 variants, right? So before, we wouldn't be able to do anything with that, but you really just use it like normal. You just save it and it just works, right? So in terms of the how to access this feature, you just go into your Shopify and use your products like normal. There's nothing that has changed from a user perspective. The one difference is that when you save, it just works instead of giving you some sort of error if you go over 100. So why don't we just take a quick look at this product? We can see here that we have all these different variants, different sizes, different fabrics, and it just works, right? We just have 245 variants in a single product, and hassle-free. So if you have products where you have broken them up into multiple different ones, if you have a reason for that, you could still continue to do that. But if you have you've been wanting to actually combine all of those options into a single listing, then you can do that now. 2,000 variants is extremely generous. I don't think many of us are going to ever go over or need to ever get more than 2,000 variants, and it's going to be a bit of a monstrosity to manage, even if you do put 2,000 variants into your single product. But yeah, that opens up a world of possibilities for us now. 2,000 variants is out. Wanted to let you guys all know, so you could get into your stores and start updating how you organize your products if this is something that you've been wanting to use. So yeah, I'm really happy that this is out. It's been a long time coming, and here we are. Now, if you thought this was useful, then I want to quickly tell you about stress-free scaling, which is where you can access all of our tools, methods, and approaches to scale your Shopify store. You can jump on a trial, and among other things, you'll get all of our AI agent workflow templates, so you don't need to build them from scratch. You get a copy of our Shopify theme that we use to make $4.3 million in sales and counting on our own Shopify store. You get access to our stress-free method for running Facebook ads without having to babysit them for 40 hours a week. And best of all, you'll get access to myself and Andrew for personal help through the nuanced challenges of scaling your own store. So check out the first link in the description below, and we'll see you inside.